Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? PVC bags are known for their transparency, durability, and flexibility, making them an excellent choice for showcasing and protecting various items. From clothing and accessories to promotional merchandise and more. What sets PVC bags apart is their ability to display products clearly while keeping them safe from dust, moisture, and handling. Whether you're in retail, fashion, or gifting, PVC bags provide an attractive and protective packaging solution. Ready to explore the world of PVC bags and discover the perfect packaging solution for your products? Reach out to us today to discuss your requirements, customization options, and more. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.